With the increasing number of socially interactive technologies, or SITs, available, which include social sites, text messaging, and instant messaging, this has become a significant way to interact with friends. Previous studies have shown that gender and age are moderators when it comes to the amount of time spent on SITs, as teenage girls tend to have more instant messaging and get involved in deeper conversations in chat rooms. Researchers have suggested that computer-mediated technologies promote and may even increase face-to-face social interactions, as this may be a useful tool when avoiding unpleasant situations. The aim of the study carried out by Pierce in 2009 was to determine the relationship between social anxiety and face-to-face communications amongst teens and socially interactive technologies such as social sites, text messages, and instant messages. 280 students consisting of 119 males and 161 females, ranging between the ages of 14 and 20, from 2 high schools in an unnamed large western city in the United States were surveyed for the study. Participants completed an anonymous self-reported questionnaire consisting of demographic questions, general usage of SITs, and students' comfort level in interacting with others in a face-to-face environment, online, cell phone, and text messaging using both nominal, so yes/no questions, as well as 5-point scales. The study was designed to test 4 hypotheses. Hypothesis 1, females will report using socially interactive technology more than males. Hypothesis 2A, there will be a relationship between not feeling comfortable talking with others in person and feeling more comfortable talking with others online. Hypothesis 2B, there will be a relationship between not feeling comfortable talking with others in person and feeling more comfortable text messaging others instead of talking in person. And finally, hypothesis 2C, there will be a negative relationship between social anxiety and making new friends online. Researchers suggest a positive correlation exists between social anxiety symptoms and the level of comfort when talking with others via SITs, as individuals reported feeling more comfortable interacting with others via text messaging as opposed to face-to-face interactions. Researchers also found that females reported more social anxiety symptoms than males, as they feel more comfortable talking with others via SITs rather than in person, but there was a significance with only text messaging and social networking sites. Results support that females who are more socially anxious tend to use SITs more than males in order to communicate with others. Therefore, hypothesis 1, 2A, and 2B show a positive correlation, whereas 2C displayed no correlation. Limitations of this study include the sole reliance on self-reported data, and perhaps the triangulation with other methodologies would help to ensure greater validity. Further research needs to be conducted to determine whether there are other factors that could possibly lead to a greater usage of online platforms, such as one's comfort level. The researcher recognizes that there may be other reasons for the increased amount of time on SITs, such as determining whether it would be appropriate to establish a face-to-face interaction with the individual. As a teacher, it is important to recognize that although an individual may be involved in the online world, there may be a difference when it comes to face-to-face interactions, and needs to work with the individual to establish better people skills.